Sana po manatili po sa atin ang pag-iingat ng Diyos at gabay ng Diyos bilang mga alagad ng batas. Napakalaking bagay po ang paglapit natin sa Kanya kung tayo araw na papasok sa trabaho at magbibigay, humihingi ng gabay. Napakalaking bagay sa pag-iingat niya po sa atin. Maraming salamat po sa lahat at sa ating mga opisyal. Mabuhay po ang ating COP. Mabuhay po tayo lahat. God bless po.
Thank you, sir. Another round of applause to our retiring police. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let us all listen to the message of our Chief of Police, Police Colonel Maximo Prial Sebastian Jr.
Una po sa lahat ay gusto ko pong kilalanin yung siguro yung pinakamasayang tao ngayon, no? Yung ating retiree, iba po si Police Chief Master Sergeant Marvel Yaban Buenmio. Palapakan naman. At syempre yung mas masaya sa kanya yung kanyang misis. Dahil solo-solo nila ngayon si Marvin. Sa tagal ng panahon man naman na pag-servisyo, at least at last, solo-solo niya na. Wala nang kahati. Wala nang kahati dahil yung kahati lagi ng misis sa maging polis ay yung servisyo. Hindi ko lang alam sa ibang polis ito kung sinong kahati nila. Siyempre, yung officers and men of the Parañaque City Police Station sa bisita po sa ngayong araw na ito, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. It has always been my dream, to give honor to my men before they will depart from the service, for them to feel the comfort of their peers. Alam mo, this is, hindi ako nagkamali, this is the first time, the first time that we will be having the Salamat Kapatid in the station level. Actually, sa region ko ito. Meron pa po sila naka-schedule na Salamat Kapatid sa region. Lahatan ko yan, hindi ako nakabalik dahil nung R1 ko ako nagpapacilitate dito. That's why naisipan ko. Dahil nakikita ko kung nung pupunta yung mga police natin, wala po yung head of office nila. Yung boss nila wala doon. Wala pa yung mga kasamahan nila sa servisyo. Yung mga kasama niya lang doon, yung pamilya niya. Kaya talagang gusto ko pong dito rin i-celebrate yung Salamat Kapatid, para at least andito yung mga dati mong katrabaho at dati niya po mga boss. Mas maganda po yun. At least sa last day mo ay makasama po yung dati niyong katrabaho sa PNP. You know, being a policeman is a destiny. Alam mo, kahit na anong gawin mo, kung hindi para talaga sa iyo yung servisyo, ay talaga namang hindi mo makakuha ito. The classic example is the destiny of yours truly. Actually, hindi ko pinangarap ko yung police. Army po, pangarap ko, Army. I was invited by my cousin to take the PNP exam in Bacolod. At sumama po ako. Actually, sinamahan ko lang siya. Wala pong planning yung makilala yung PNPE na yan. So, when we went there, sabi niya, ano kaya kumuha ka na ng exam? Pinaplikan dito eh. Sabi ko, sige, kukuha ko ng exam. Dahil para hindi masayang yung pagkantay sa'yo. Ibig sabihin niyan siya, sa classroom, ang walk in Africa sa basketball court, yung walang cover. So, kumuha ko ng exam doon. And after that, the examination, nagkita kami ulit. Sabi niya, kumusta exam mo? Sabi ko naman, okay naman. Sabi niya, tingin mo, papasa ka? Sa tingin mo, papasa ako. Kasi alam ko naman sa sarili ko, papasa ko hindi. Okay, walis na kami. After a month of waiting, unfortunately, he wasn't able to make it. Ibig sabihin akong pumasa. After that, nag-report ako sa academy, nag-graduate ako. Pumasok siya ng 2,000. Pagpasok ng 2,000, hindi nakapasok na siya. Hindi rin siya nag-graduate. Na-dismiss din siya because of the hepatitis. So talaga, pag hindi mo talaga destiny, hindi mo talaga makakuha kahit anong gawin mo. And kung may pulis na tayo, it's a matter of choice. No? Kung gagawin mo natin yung trabaho natin, kung magiging mabuting pulis ba tayo, or magtutugalayin tayo. The destiny of Police Chief Master Sergeant Marvin Buemio is a classic example na talaga namang kung nagtutugalayin ka sa PNP, ay talaga namang aalis ka na maganda yung record mo. No? Walang kaso. Yun na po yung pangarap ng isang polis. No? Sa daming nagtasyon naman sa PNP, especially Metro Manila. No? So napakahirap po dito magtudalayin. No? Yung sentro pa naman ito ng pagpupulis. Ang dami po dito magtasyon. No? Yung tasyon matulog, walang duty, na-motion ka, mapailangan ng kaso. Yung iba, nadi-dismiss because of their personal interest. No? Lucrative kasi yung mga ibang bagay dito na talagang pretend ka sa pera. Kaya ako yung natutuwa, no? Na si Marvin ay nag-retire na wala ng kaso. No? From his statement a while ago, sabi niya nga, magdasal daw. No? Dapat natin isipin at tawagin yung Diyos, ako na sa servisyo tayo, for Him to guide us to do what is right and to avoid what is wrong. So, in doing so, what is right? So, this is the reward na paggawa na tama. Na mag-retire ka, nakasama ang pamilya mo na wala kang inaalala. Meron pa pang pension, no? At kukuning pera. Sigurado ako yung 2.7 million na yun, hindi mahawa ka ni Marvin yun. May misis po tayo, sigurado. So, this is the fruit of your labor, no? For tuwing the line. Dahil ako, hindi ko na pinapangarap na pumosisyon. Makaretire ng maayos, no? Dahil ito po yung pangarap ng pamilya natin na bumalik sa bahay natin. No? Full capacity na father. Alam ko naman at tuwa yung misis ni Marvin niya. At last 21 years na, di ba? 21 years and 6 months. Tama? 21 years, napakahaba. Alam mo yung misis dapat. Kaya sabi ko nga kay Leo, bigyan mo ng cooperation yung asawa niyan. No, bakit? Yan ang mas grabing sakripisyo kaysa sa kanya. Ano pa yan siya? Medyo nadalain pa ito. Nakikita ko kaya the way he talk, the way he delivered his statement. O while ago, bira lang pulis na sabi niya na about sa Diyos. No? Bira lang yan. So, kung si Marvin na to the line, medyo nahihirapan ng misis, kung sa iba siguro dito ay medyo hirap na hirap talaga. Tignan niyo na lang yung sa tabi niyo. Tignan niyo, yung tabi niyo. Kung pagkatiwalaan mo mga yan. So, I'm congratulating the family of Marvin, no, for surviving the 21 years in the police service at sa pagsuporta po sa mister niyo na gawin yung tama at gawin yung trabaho niya na pagpipurahan ng ating bayan at ating mga constituents, fellow constituents. Ito po yung pinakahintay niya na panahon. And I would like to thank each and every one of us for attending this momentous event. Ito po ay hindi na may mabalik na occasion. Dahil minsan na po tayo na nag-retire. So, Marvin, good luck to your new journey in life. Sana masaya ka, no? Umalis ka. Pagka wala kang ginagawa, pwede ka naman bumalik dito. No? Pero sigurado ako, hindi ka na babalik. Dahil ako sumisyon ngayon ng PNP. No? Nakakahirap ko yung pulis ngayon. Lahat ng problema ng tao, cater mo. Yung 698,027 populace, yung Paranaque, i-cater mo yung mga problema nila. Pero kung sarili natin problema, hindi natin nasusolve. Pero yung problema ng ibang tao, talaga namang iniisip natin araw-araw para mag-out tayo ng post natin. Pero yung sarili mong problema, hindi mo rin masolve minsan. So, sana ay masaya ka sa araw na to. At sigurado ako yung pamilya mo yung nag-aantay na maging full-time ka na as husband and father of your children. So sa muli ay maraming salamat sa inyong serbisyo, publiko, at paglilingkuran sa bayan natin, sa tao, sa taga-Paranaque. So maraming salamat at pagbuhay po ang Paranaque Police.
Announcing the arrival of our Chief of Police, Police Colonel Maximo Priyalis Please take seats, Master. To our Chief of Police, Police Colonel Maximo Priyalis to our Deputy Chief of Police for Administration, Police Lieutenant Colonel Michael Lito Chavez, other officers, PNCOs, guests, the man of the hour, Police Chief Master Sergeant Martin Jovan Banyo, with his beloved wife, Manjukit Banyo and his family, good morning. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It is indeed a very fine day to welcome all of you to the retirement honors for Police Chief Master Sergeant Martin Jovan Banyo. To start the program, and we request everyone to please rise for the invitation to be led by Police Corporal Hannah Juan.
Thank you for the long-term contributions you have made in the execution of daily tasks. His loyalty to our organization and sharing his experience and wisdom with others. We pray your continued blessings on him during the next phase of his life. May your presence be with him as he chooses new paths and explore new horizons. May he be blessed with strong networks of friends and family to enjoy the journey that lies ahead. We We also pray your blessings on the ceremony and to all who are present here today. And we pray that you keep all of us strong and vigilant as we perform our duties and responsibilities as public servants. And so, we end our prayer, thankful for what has been and grateful for what has yet to be. Amen.
At this juncture, let us all listen to the welcome remarks to be delivered by the Assistant Chief of Police for Administration, Police Lieutenant Colonel Michael Vito Chavez.
Lord Chief of Police, Police Colonel Maximo Vito Brother and retiring Police Chief Master Sergeant Marvin Buenio, to my fellow officers, and to the men and women of Parañaque City Police Station, good morning. All good things, their tidings. For us uniformed personnel, we will cross the finish line of our service at the age of 56. The Salamat Kapatid program honors the retiring PNP uniform and non-uniformed personnel who selflessly dedicated themselves to service for at least 20 years. I therefore would like to invite you in today's program to congratulate our brother and retiree Police Chief Master Sergeant Marvin Buenio for surpassing the adversities as part of our chosen career. The blood, sweat, tears, time, and effort that has given in the years as law enforcer is priceless and incomparable. Sa mga kasamahan natin, nababa pa ang panahon sa serbisyo, naway tularan natin si Police Chief Master Sergeant Buenio at amarin natin na matapos din ang ating serbisyo na may matibay na dedikasyon na makapaglingkod sa ating kapwa at sa komunidad. Muli, magandang umaga sa ating lahat.
Thank you, sir. At this point, Police Lieutenant Esperanza Rayoga, Officer in Charge, Administrative Resource Management Section, will read the retirement order.
Pursuant to Special Orders Number NHQ SO OR 2021-556 dated February 3, 2021. Police Chief Master Sergeant Marvin Jovan Buenio with badge number 127706 is optionally retired from the PNP service with 21 years, 7 months, and 9 days, effective May 31, 2021. By command of Police General Sinas, Official Police Lieutenant General Joselito M. Veracruz, the Chief Director of Staff, signed Police Major General Ferdinand B. Daway, the Director for Personnel and Records Management.
Thank you, ma'am. We will now proceed to the presentation of awards and benefits and memento to the honoree. May I request Police Chief Master Sergeant Marvin Jovan Buenio to please come forward. Chief of Police, Police Colonel Maximo Real Sebastian Jr. will present the awards and memento assisted by the command staff. Likewise, Mrs. Juliet Buenio is also requested to please come forward. In grateful acknowledgement of your self-service, dedication, and unwavering support to the Parañaque City Police Station, your exceptional performance and devotion to duty for 21 years, 7 months, 9 days has greatly gained prestige and glory, not only to this police station, but also to the entire PNP organization. The act of appreciation is also hereby given to Police Chief Master Sergeant Marvin Jovan Buenio. Plaque of appreciation is also given to Police Chief Master Sergeant Martin Yoban Bonyo in grateful recognition of his selfless devotion to duty and unwavering loyalty to the service rendered as police non-commissioned officer of the Philippine National Police from October 12, 23, 1999 to May 31, 2021. Given this 31st day of May 2021 at 4th Floor Conference Room, Parañaque City Police Station, Dr. A. Santos Avenue, Barangay San Dionisio, Parañaque City. Signed, Police Colonel Maximo Frial Sebastian Jr., Chief of Police. Likewise, the following mementos will also be given to the retiree, including Land Bank Retirement ATM Card, Land Bank check amounting to 2,700,000 pesos. May we request a representative from PSNBFI, Mr. Geoffrey A. Marquez, PSNBFI ONCRE and NCR to award the PSNBFI check amounting to 78,000 pesos. Also, the following memento is also presented to our retiree Ensign Bond, a cash from our beloved Chief of Police. Appreciation for the loving and supportive wife of Police Chief Master Sergeant Martin Yoban Bonyo. Certificate of appreciation is presented to Mrs. Juliet Sanchez Bonyo in grateful recognition for her unselfish and faithful devotion to Police Chief Master Sergeant Martin Yoban Bonyo. The support, love, sacrifice, and understanding she gave to her husband contributed his effectiveness and efficiency in rendering quality police service given this 31st day of May 2021 at headquarters, Parañaque City Police Station, Barangay San Dionisio, Parañaque City. Signed, Police Colonel Maximo Frial Sebastian Jr., Chief of Police. Also, congratulations, sir, ma'am. At this point, we will now proceed to the retirement of the PNP badge. To read the retirement of badge, may I call the Chief Investigation and Effective Management Section, Police Major Arlan Velarde Perez.
Retirement of PNP badge. Police Chief Master Sergeant Martin Yoban Bonyo, upon taking the oath and assumption to office, you were invested by the people and the law with the authority as a law enforcer. The PNP badge that was pinned on your left breast was a symbol of that legal authority. It was so placed near to your heart to remind you of the fidelity and dedication to duty expected of you as a public servant. You were entrusted with a badge as a symbol of your worthiness as a police officer and the power and authority to enforce the law without fear or favor by people of this land. You oversaw the general welfare of the people and ensured that peace and order was maintained at all times. You were mindful that the police was the protector of the weak, defender of the innocent, and an advocate of human rights. At the center of your badge is the PNP seal, held bravely by our hero, Lapu-Lapu, the first Filipino to defend our country against foreign invaders. On your badge are the virtues of service, honor, and justice. They reminded you to always render the highest form of public service for our fellow men. You serve the citizenry with unwavering commitment, selfless sacrifice, and willingness to die in the service of God, country, and people. Duty and honor bound you to be faithful to the trust bestowed upon you by the people. Your badge reminded you to maintain the dignity of your character at all times, to strictly abide and justly enforce the laws of the land. Exemplary conduct on your part convince your people that you merit the just title and authority as you patrol the street and perform your duties with utmost dedication. You walk tall with head up and you bravely face the daily dangers of duty. You kept the badge solid and free of any breach of fidelity. By the regularity of your conduct, you always endeavored to avoid any aspersion against our institution. You preserve our cherished customs and traditions, never countenance any deviation from them, nor allow them to be infringed. Police Chief Master Sergeant Marvin Yovan Bremio, you may now detach your badge from your police uniform. Your dignity as a police officer, symbolized by the badge, was before pinned to your heart. You never swerved from your solemn oath, neither violated your vows nor betrayed the public trust. Police Chief Master Sergeant Marvin Yovan Bremio, you are a police officer, you have sworn your badge with honor.
Police Chief Master Sergeant Marvin Yovan Bremio will now hand his badge to our receiver. We request our Chief of Police, Police Colonel Maximo Reyes Sebastian Jr., to please come forward to receive the badge.
Turning over my badge. Power of authority. Yes,
You will remove these branches only for photo opportunity. Sir. And now, to give this valedictorian message, here is our honored Police Chief Master Sergeant Marvin Yovan Bremio.
Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Ako po ay una nagpapasalamat sa ating Panginoon Diyos sa pag-iingat niya po sa ating lahat sa araw na ito. Ako po ay lubos na nagpapasalamat sa ating Chief of Police ng Parañaque, Police Colonel Maximo Reyes Sebastian Jr., sa kanyang mga programa sa ikabubuti ng ating mga kapulisan at PID. Ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa ating Chief of Police ng Parañaque sa programa sa komunidad ng Parañaque City sa pananatiling safe ang ating mamamayan. Ako po ay nagpapasalamat sa ating mga kuya, mentor, sa ating serbisyo, sa ating akopa na dati ko si Police Lieutenant Colonel Michael Pinto Chavez. Nagpapasalamat din po ako sa ating akopo, Police Lieutenant Colonel Pilimon Balwasin Kaka. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa aking dating CEO sa Substation 1, Police Major Marshal Paganas, at sa aking naging deputy, ang aming deputy commander sa Substation 1, si Police Lieutenant Go. Nagpapasalamat po ako kay Major Alan Perez, Police Major Alan Perez po ng ating SID, at kay Ma'am Police Lieutenant Esperanza Kasukat Reoa. Sana po manatili po sa atin ang pag-iingat ng Diyos at gabay ng Diyos bilang mga alagad ng batas. Napakalaking bagay po ang paglapit natin sa Kanya kung tayo araw na papasok sa trabaho at magbibigay, humihingi ng gabay. Napakalaking bagay sa pag-iingat niya po sa atin. Maraming salamat po sa lahat at sa ating mga opisyal. Mabuhay po ang ating COP. Mabuhay po tayo lahat. God bless po.
Thank you, sir. Another round of applause to our retiring police officers.
May bagong pag-asang darating, dala nila'y liwanag sa dilim. Di hahayaan ang kasama ay manaig. May puso tapat sa bayan na tungkulin, kapayapaan ang tangi nilang hanggarin. Kaya lahat ay gagawin, maging maayos at ligtas lang ang Paranaque. Nandito na sila, wag nang mabahala, wag nang mangangamba, pagkat ang tropa ay laging nakahanda.